the hiccups, Duke. You got the hiccups. Hiccup? Hiccup? Yeah. He's done. No, he's not. He's probably gonna do that forever.
They last a while in my tummy though.